Gotcha! Let's learn Eli hops. First off, we have to pick our yo-yo. This gap is itty bitty wicked small. This gap is doable, but still itty bitty small. This gap is fine. We could do that. But this gap is huge! So let's use this one. The first thing you have to know how to do is the trapeze. That is throwing the yo-yo in a breakaway throw to the side and landing it on your finger like this. So the yo-yo is wrapped around and lands here. The next thing you have to know is how to get the yo-yo in the air. While it might seem like you're just bouncing your finger up and down, that is not the case and you are not going to have control that way. So this is on a really long string in the middle. How can I propel this into the air? Like a slingshot, right? So if I want to do a little hop, I can just spread my hands out like that. But if I want to do a full Eli hop, then I have to pull my hands apart quite a bit. So instead of putting the yo-yo right in the middle, put it closer to your non-throw hand and pull your hands apart there so that there's more attention to propel the yo-yo into the air. But it's more than just that. So before you catch it on the string again, you have to make this accordion motion with your hand because then the slack comes off the string and propels it into the air, right? So if I just do this, it's gonna be low all the time, but if I bring my hands together, I'm almost hitting the ceiling with that. So practice landing a trapeze, pulling your hands apart, and then bringing your hands back together to get the yo-yo in the air and then landing it on the string. Remember to keep it close to your non-throw hand. It doesn't have to be directly next to it, but close enough so that at least like 3/4 of the string is just slack. And you'll see Eli hops in different styles too, like horizontal, and that's a different way to up your game as well. Hope that makes sense, and you now know how to do an Eli hop.